You didn't lose her because you loved too much. You lost her because you disappeared inside that love. And the scariest part? You didn't even notice it happening. You were there every day, texting, checking, waiting. But while you were busy chasing her attention, you slowly stopped being the man worth paying attention to. That is the truth nobody says to your face. Modern dating doesn't punish bad men, it punishes empty ones. And emptiness doesn't look like cruelty. It looks like a guy with no direction, making a girl his only destination. She didn't block a bad person. She pulled away from a man who had forgotten himself. No mission, no fire, no life she wanted to be pulled into. Just availability, just need dressed up as love.
And here is what that actually communicates without a single word being said. It tells her you have nothing else, that she is the whole thing. And that kind of pressure, no matter how gentle, eventually suffocates everything.
Here is what changes it. Stop giving your best hours to someone who hasn't chosen you yet. Your attention is not free. Treat it like it isn't. Wake up tomorrow and do one thing that has nothing to do with her. One goal, one step, just for you. Not to win her back, not to post about it. Just to remind yourself that your life still belongs to you. Because the man who gets blocked and breaks down and the man who gets blocked and builds up, the difference between them is not talent. It is the decision made in the quiet, painful moment right after. That block was not rejection, it was redirection. Your life was trying to get your attention back, and it had to take something away to do it. The most powerful version of you is not the one she remembers. It is the one she never got to meet. And you build him now, in the silence, in the discipline, in the choice to stop waiting and start moving. If this hits something real inside you, comment the word redirect below. And if you want more of this kind of honest, grounded thinking, subscribe. We go deeper every week.